Dream big, plan smart, your best year starts right here. Are you ready for maximum acceleration this year? Write down your goals on paper or on your whiteboard in the present tense as though it's a fact and it's already happened. For example, I am debt-free and thrive in 2025. I have a 7-figure income before the end of 2027. I attract ideas that produce great wealth. Now look at those business goals and read them out loud 3 times every day, just as if you're taking medicine. If you will do that, guess what? Your subconscious mind will go to work 24/7 to bridge that gap between where you are and where you want to be, pulling your goals into the present tense.